The /var/run/supervisor.sock file is not being created when I use Supervisord. I'm running Supervisord on my Ubuntu 14.04 server and everything works fine. I deploy using a git push, and upon deployment I also need to restart my application server, Unicorn, which I can supposedly do using Supervisord. In my Supervisord.conf, Unicorn is defined as follows. And I enabled Supervisord like this. I started Supervisor using. As far as I understand, I now should be able to restart Unicorn using the command Supervisord to restart Unicorn, but when I do that I get. I checked and the file /var/run/supervisor.sock indeed doesn't exist, even though I'm sure Supervisor is in fact running. Does anybody know why the /var/run/supervisor.sock file isn't created, even though Supervisor is clearly running? All tips are welcome.
Alright, after messing around some more, I found what I did wrong. Turns out the lines for Supervisord below only tell Supervisord where it can find the socket file. Further above in the file, there are two other lines which define where the file is actually created. As you can see, that created the socket file in /tmp/ while Supervisord tried to read it from /var/run/. I changed the last line to file equals /var/run/supervisor.sock, and now it works beautifully. I hope this answer might help someone else dealing with the same trouble. Also, you can check out the link provided by @Marius Matushi in the comments. This URL.
For users who have the same entry for both. And follow below steps to fix the problem. Delete sock file from /tmp. Run Supervisord command. This will recreate the sock file. Run Supervisord to check the status of the services. Hope this helps you.
After too much struggling with this issue, with everybody telling me to just enable or restart, which was not working, I finally found out the solution for me. First of all, acknowledge that you have the main Supervisord.conf file here, /etc/supervisor/supervisor.conf. If you are in my case, you also have a project-specific .conf file in here, /etc/supervisor/conf.d/project.conf. Somehow Supervisord was working fine, but the weird thing is that doing service supervisor restart breaks everything and you get the error of awk. The solution then is to rename project.conf to project.conf.tmp. Then, service supervisor restart. After what Supervisord works again, you rename back your project.conf file to project.conf. Supervisord reread, Supervisord update, Supervisord restart all.
/opt/zonf/supervisord.zonf. Run Supervisord. Run Supervisord.
How does this